Wake warealize ukuthi ustresswa izinto onganazo, uphinde futhi ustresswe izinto okumele ube nazo makufika a certain date or a certain month or a certain period. Njengokuthi ulinde imali umholo yasebenza, ustress ukuthi i-date sifika nini, i-31 or i-30, into onganayo kodwa uyilindile. Abantu aba-rich aba-stresswa ama-month end, nabo bane-stress zabo, abasa-stresswa ukuthi anginamali. Banento zabo eziba-stressayo, umuntu abe namabhiliyoni, but he's fighting or she is fighting for their lives. Une-cancer, ustresswa yilento lokuthi usele ngamalanga angawuthi ngiphile emhlabeni. Wena usastresswa i-payday, usastresswa ukuthi awunakudla, awazi ukuthi mawuphuma la uzotopha or banathi uza namsebenzi. It can change anytime your situation, but lo phethe umuntu imali emhlabeni, you cannot change isimo se-cancer. You cannot. That's why you're depressed. You cannot change isimo se-HIV. That's why they're always depressed. But banemali yonke. Omunye unemali yonke emhlabeni, akavisithwa ifamily, akanabangani, akananix. Bafethu, asiyekeleni pride. Mzancafu, awe zakhele mjeke.